What's going on? Stu Mitchell here from Newstalk 1010. We're at Newstalk's biggest ever car wash for kids. We are raising money for our annual Back to School Backpacks campaign, which is supported by the Children's Breakfast Clubs. They help us find kids in need. We got to get them backpacks filled with school supplies, and to raise dollars for that program, we're here washing a lot of cars.
This car wash is hosted by Children's Breakfast Club, and all the proceeds that they get from this car wash is going towards helping children in need for back to school supplies. So they'll have backpacks and fill them up with back to school supplies for this upcoming September. So feel free to come on down. There's a barbecue here as well, so you can come, eat, get your car cleaned, hang out.
So we have our friends, the Detailing Knights, here to help with the car wash, but the fun fact is that they actually don't use water for this car wash. They're using a product that is completely waterless, which makes your car nice and shiny and clean.
This is Ryan Knight here from Detailing Knights, your waterless car wash experts. We'll come to your house or to your office and clean your car right on the spot, or to the parking lot of CarQuest, where we are having a car wash fundraiser for the Children's Breakfast Club. I just got the signal. We're over 100 cars. Every car that we clean, Vanilla Prepaid is giving a backpack to these youth that need supplies for this next school year.
We're pretty much taking all these cars, doing the exterior, do a really quick wash, trying to promote Detailing Nights and give them a good rep, and also give them back to the community.
Today there was a lot of cars, including vans, including smart cars, you can see sports car, a lot of cars here today.
Special thanks to Newstalk 1010 and CarQuest and Vanilla Prepaid for offering us the chance to donate our time for this car wash fundraiser for the Children's Breakfast Club. This is Ryan Knight from Detailing Knights. Hey, if you have a cause that you want to raise money for, think of a car wash. We can get it done for you.